For those of you with power seats that stop working, you probably don't know that the seat itself is fine in most cases, especially in a car like these Impalas. A lot of times what happens is the plastic piece inside the switch actually breaks. But if you take the couple screws out holding this plastic side in, I believe it was this handle, just kind of pops off, and you can pull this up and get the switch off the back of it. All you have to do is take this something like this plastic pen cap and just push these little contacts, and your seat will still work. I had to do this on both sides of this car because I wasn't going to pay a bunch of money to fix something that's really not broken. So I've been riding around like this for a few years now. So if your power seat stopped working, before you spend a bunch of money, if you're okay with a little bit of a exposed switches in a old beat around car, then there's your cheap fix.